Hello everyone, welcome back. Actually, Fun Story Factory is abroad, and because of quarantine I am stuck in a room, so I can still bring you some lovely exciting books from a room, and it doesn't matter where I am in the world, I can share fun story books with you. So the book I'm going to bring you today is called Tree Spirit, and it's been written by Louise Wannier, and she is a sufter. A sufter is a grandma, and she has 5 wonderful grandchildren. So what this author has cleverly done is shown us tree trunks and what she can see on the trunk, and we're going to share it with you. It's very special, and at the end of the book, if you buy this book, and I'll tell you where you can buy it, you can trace your own tree trunks and show her and share on Instagram what you can see on the tree that you found. Shall we begin? So what do you see when you look at this tree? What do you think you can see? Should we turn the page and find out? I see an alligator grinning at me. How do you think he is feeling today? I think he wants to come down and play. The alligator feels happy. Can you see the alligator? So what Louise has done is she's drawn, and you can see this was the tree trunk that I first showed you, and this is the tree trunk as she sees it. Isn't that nice? Shall we see the next one?
Oh my, what have we here? I see 5 columns standing quite near.
Could it be a young elephant deep in a funk, crying big tears as they run down his trunk? Little elephant is feeling quite sad.
Looking closely, what do you see way up high in the fork of that tree?
I see a friendly moose gazing at me. And how do you imagine he is feeling today? I think he is eager to join in and play. Do you want to see him? What do you see eyeing me here? Have you spotted something yet? I see a gentle horse standing quite near, quietly standing and looking our way. I am wondering, what do you think she will say? Perhaps she is feeling a wee bit shy. There she is. Who is watching from the shadow of that tree? Can you see something? Do you want to shout out and tell me what it is? I see a bunny brightly eyeing me. How do you imagine she feels looking our way? I think she is feeling alert and ready to have an interesting day. Here she is. Down at the base of this camphor tree, I wonder who lies there awaiting for me. What can you see? Are you telling me? Have you got it right? I think I see an octopus hiding within. The massive tree roots are disguising him. Even though he is fully grown, the octopus feels insecure and all alone. Shall we look at the octopus? Can you see him? Who is nestling high in the branch of that tree? Have you guessed? I see a sparrow slumbering peacefully. Shall we try together to breathe softly like her? Breathing in, we see our tummies fill and expand. Breathing out, we count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the sparrow is feeling calm, and so are we. Let's have a look at the calm sparrow, shall we? Walking along one morning, a neighbouring street, a little spirit catches my eye and we meet. I wonder, who do you see here? I see a tiny mouse peeking out at me. How do you imagine she is feeling today? I think we are both feeling curious. What do you say? Do you want to see a curious mouse? Can you see her? I see a tiny mouse peeking out at me. How do you imagine she is feeling today? I think we are both feeling curious. What do you say? Do you want to see a curious mouse? Can you see her? What do you see when you look up in this tree? I see a mother swan and her baby chick nestling tenderly. Mother and baby are feeling safe. Let's leave them be. Shall we have a look at them? There they are. Isn't that beautiful? She's looking after her baby chick. Resting quietly in the trunk of this tree. Have a look there. What do you see? I don't know about you, but I'm finding this book so magical because we're discovering things and we're looking at everything in a different light. And I think it's really beautiful. Shall we see what that was all about? I see a graceful lamb looking our way. How do you imagine she is feeling today? Perhaps the lamb is feeling thankful. There she is. So the lamb was the last one that the author was going to tell you what she sees. And what she's done in this book is she's given you lots of other trees to look at, which I'm going to show you. And then you can put tracing paper over it and you can see what you see. And she has said, thank you for taking this wander with me to notice what the trees offer for us to see. I have a few more trees here for you to explore, and perhaps you will walk around where you live and find a few more. Please use the tracing paper we have included to try drawing some of your own, and she would like to see some of yours. Happy wandering and have fun, she says. Shall I show you a few of the other trees that you can discover when you get this book? Here is one. This is an amazing one. Wow, can you see this one? I wonder what you're going to see there. And what about this one? That's very special, isn't it? That's got an amazing trunk. And what about this one? Isn't that fantastic? Now you're going to start looking at trees in a whole different way. And is there one more? There is indeed. Oh, she's going to help us find something. What do you see in this one? And now, what has she said? Do you see the flying eagle? Can you see the flying eagle in it? She's even drawn a lovely picture. That's nice, isn't it? She was helping us there. Did you enjoy that? Did you notice that she also talked about emotions and feelings in this book? Some of them were like sad, happy, eager, safe. There were some lovely ones, weren't there? How are you feeling today? I did one of my other books was called My Many Coloured Days. And if you check that out on my YouTube, Fun Story Factory, it tells you about all the different colours and how you're feeling. And this book does it with emotions and all the different pictures and how they're feeling. See you again soon for another great story on Fun Story Factory.